So yeah guys, I spent over 2 years doing affiliate marketing.
I'm John Crestani and I make over $500,000 a month with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you how to get started if you're a complete beginner.
And for the record, I've been only doing this affiliate marketing on the side. It was not my main business model for all this time. And today, fully transparently, I'm gonna share with you the results I got over those 730 days of doing affiliate marketing.
Hey, excuse me. I love your car. What do you do for a living?
I do affiliate marketing.
I will share with you my exact affiliate program that I used, my strategy to get leads and get sales for that affiliate program.
It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not even a scheme per se.
And exactly how much money I made in those 2 years of doing affiliate marketing. So if you're excited to see all that juicy stuff, make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because I will share with you the strategy that you can implement yourself and start making money with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one of the most popular online business side hustles / business models, and it's really so attractive to beginners simply because you don't need to create your own product, you don't need to build your website, you don't need to deal with angry customers, and a lot of business systems are already built for you.
First, let me assure you that this is not one of those shady pyramid schemes you've been hearing about. No, sir.
All you need to do is get leads to the page and make them buy a product, service, or software that you are promoting. And actually, that could be an amazing business model, because if you're promoting software, for example, there are some amazing affiliate offers for specific type of softwares like ClickFunnels. We're going to pay you monthly residual income. So for example, if you get people to sign up on that software and they stay for 1 year paying for that software, you are going to get 50% every single month of the amount they paying. So for example, if they do sign up on ClickFunnels and they paying $97 per month on that, you're gonna get about $50 every single month completely passively from just one person. And that would be an ideal way to do affiliate marketing.
I knew exactly what I needed to do. It wasn't writing, it wasn't books, it was much bigger than that.
It was affiliate marketing.
However, to make this work, you're gonna have to have a strategy in place. And that being that you need to have some sort of audience or eyeballs in a specific niche. So my strategy was simple. In the past, I was making how-to Shopify videos. And if you look at the description of those videos, you would see a link referring people to sign up on Shopify. When someone signs up, they're gonna get a 14-day free trial, and I'm gonna get paid 100% commission for what they do pay to Shopify for the next 2 months. So they're gonna be paying $29 a month for the next 2 months. So from the one person, if he continues to pay for 2 months, I'm gonna get paid about $58 from just one person. And that simply was my bread and butter affiliate program I've used for those 2 years.
At the end of the week, my brokerage account contained over $2 million. Word quickly got out.
Now, before I share my results with you and how much money I made exactly, I wanted to give you some tips so you can start your affiliate marketing business yourself and you can start it doing properly right off the bat. Since this business model is so popular, it means that competition is also crazy. And I believe that if you want to have a successful affiliate marketing business, you would just need a few things. And the first thing is that you're gonna need to have some sort of audience in a specific niche. That could be finance, tech, or travel, or any other niche. There are amazing offers in any niche that you can imagine.
Okay, you take this, you're mine. Good luck.
So finding the right offer to promote wouldn't be the hardest part. The hardest part is gonna be building an audience.
Kids want to be YouTubers.
Having a YouTube audience would be the best choice, since you're gonna be building a way stronger connection with your followers than on any other platform. 10,000 subscribers on YouTube can make you more money than 100,000 followers on TikTok. The quality of people who watch your YouTube videos and the people who just randomly scroll through your TikToks is way higher. Also, people on YouTube most of the time have way bigger buying power, so building a YouTube following for your affiliate marketing business would be the best long-term decision. But by that being said, you should definitely use TikTok and Instagram to kickstart your growth and kickstart your audience. They are amazing platforms to get initial following that could be sent to your YouTube channel or to your email list. And this is where you can promote your affiliate offers. So that would be a strategy for you to launch your affiliate marketing business. Pick a niche with a great affiliate marketing offers, build an initial audience on platforms platforms like TikTok and Instagram, start promoting your offers on those platforms and slowly start building your YouTube channel. Have an affiliate link of your offer in the YouTube description and slowly get your affiliate business going. And once you get your first affiliate sale, you're gonna be way more motivated to keep going.
So 36000. Okay, what if we made a compromise then? What if we grab like one of the zeros behind the back like I'm Kyrie, shoot the 3, and then the 0's gone, and then we're left with 3600. Like that.
And now the part you've been all waiting for. How much money I made with my affiliate marketing business in the last 2 years.
The key to making money in a situation like this is to position yourself now before the settlement.
Sadly, Shopify actually changed their affiliate dashboard and now I cannot see the exact number. But what I did is I went to my payouts, and as you can see on the screen, there were a lot of payouts over the years. Shopify affiliate program sends you the payout twice per month, and what I did, I counted all of these, and the final sum was $15,456. And keep in mind, this was an absolutely side income for me. That means all I had to do, just put affiliate links in my descriptions or promote those affiliate links to my email list from time to time. So yeah guys, doing affiliate marketing completely part-time, I was able to make over $7,500 per year, which equals to about $600 per month. And that is completely amazing for just a side income. And it could be even better. For example, if you have a larger YouTube channel, you can literally make over $10,000 per month because there are some affiliate products that you can sell and you can get $500 to $600 per sale. Usually that's gonna be high ticket products such as online courses. But yeah, it's crazy how much money you can make just adding affiliate links in your descriptions and referring your viewers to those affiliate offers. Especially if you're promoting something that is amazing and that could benefit your viewer, is completely win-win scenario for you, for the viewer, and also for the person who created that affiliate program you're promoting.
You're good.
So guys, let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna start and try out this business model yourself. That being said, thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next video.